I manage to see them hardly once a year, and yet their presence still reassures me that this forest is doing all right, even after so much pressure and interference from humans. The hornbills act as the widest seed dispersion agents in these ghats. Mornings have started to be more and more hazy. The rains seem to have subsided. At the blue-eared nest, the chicks have hatched. The parents now face the big task of feeding these chicks. Blue-eared live exclusively on fish, and disappearance of the rain spells trouble for them.